That's Joey. Just kidding.
Hey, are you still filming? Like, is that the same film?
Yeah, it's a new one.
Why?
YouTube!
Why?
You guys are on YouTube.
Watch the film.
And that's for that boy. You'd have to turn it on for that boy.
No, dude, I will kill you.
I know, it's looking fun. I would kill you.
Chandler, do I get to sit in the chair?
No.
What?
Cane chair is reserved for me.
You hear that rumor about Chandler?
Hey, Ruth, do you remember the time we shut up?
Like, oh, shit.
Serious. I didn't remember that, Ruth. I was going to see Casey doing lessons. Hi, Izzy. Hi, Sebastian. Hello, Izzy.
Hey, it's time to get your camera wet.
No, it is not.
Izzy, stand up, please do it one more time. I don't know.
She's a good teacher.
Okay, or now. No, you can. Now they're showing off for the camera.
Yeah, man. What's going on YouTube?
Super.
Let's go back to the garden office. Bailey, new video. Say hi.
Where's Timmy?
Huh?
Where's Timmy?
I don't know.
Okay. Hi, Timmy. Heart. I hate you so much. Die. In a hole. In a box. Call the coffin. Alright. See ya.
Huh?
Haley. P.S. I won't see ya because you're gonna die. Heh. I love you. Bye.
Hey, Claire, say hi to YouTube. YouTube videos are not illegal. Where's Tim?
I don't know. I should find him. Let's go on a scavenger hunt.
Okay, no.
I already tried back.
Say hi to YouTube.
Yeah, you have like,
YouTube. Okay, just don't say hi.
I'm Mexican immigrant.
Say hello to YouTube.
Last night I got raped by that Hungarian exchange student.
That's free. Oh, what's his name?
That Marco kid?
Oh, Marco.
Yep.
That's
He got to
weird.
rape me. I was like at the Schillers at like freaking 1 in the morning.
Why?
I don't know, but I'm on my Mac and I'm like video chatting with my friends and stuff. And then he's like raping me in a really inappropriate way.
That's freaking weird.
Oh no, where's Timmy?
Timmy!
Timmy back to Rara! What's one for this?
Samoa! Jason! Samoa.
Oh, Samoa.
Samoa!
I just said Samoa and I'm like, we don't want a Samoa.
What?
You know what? You know Samoa? It's like the dress wrappers.
Okay, that's enough.